Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizky Nur Cahyono, and in here I will talk about global warming that threatens our Earth. You must have felt that the weather in our environment is currently very hot. The hot air that you feel lately is the impact of El Nino, which is exacerbated by global warming. And what is global warming? Global warming is a form of ecosystem imbalance on Earth due to the process of increasing the average temperatures of the Earth's atmosphere, ocean, and land. And what are the effects of global warming? Global warming has many adverse effects on the Earth, such as hotter temperatures resulting in skin and respiratory diseases, and drought resulting in sandstorms and crop failures, and rising sea levels resulting in coastal land loss, and food shortages due to extreme and erratic weather, extinction of various flora and fauna due to habitat loss, and rampant poverty and displacement. Natural disasters occur everywhere, such as floods, forest fires, and storms, and clean weather crisis due to extreme weather, and many other impacts that could threaten the future of humanity. In fact, many scientists in the world state that our Earth has entered a global boiling phase. This is based on observation made during the year 2022 to 2023, which was declared the worst climate change in history. So, what causes global warming? There are many things that cause global warming to get worse, starting from illegal logging, which causes less carbon dioxide sinks, and it limits nature's ability to reduce emission in the atmosphere. The use of transportation also causes global warming to become worse. It is because transportation equipment emits a lot of carbon dioxide emission and also use non-renewable natural resources. Further causes are the overuse of electricity, methane pollution due to livestock and agriculture, poor processing of plastic waste, the presence of factory waste that is not properly treated, and many other causes that exacerbate global warming.
Climate change is here, it is terrifying, and it is just the beginning. The era of global warming has ended, the era of global boiling has arrived.
There are several ways to prevent global warming. First, we can carry out reforestation. By planting trees, we restore the function of the forest as an absorber of carbon dioxide emission and a balancer for nature. Second, we can apply reduction, reuse, recycling of items such as plastic and organic waste. Third, we can invite and educate the public about the importance of protecting the surrounding environment so that they understand the dangers of global warming. Fourth, we can reduce of use of motorized vehicles by replacing them with public transportation. In addition, there are several ways to reduce global warming at home that can be done, namely by saving electricity at home, saving water use, reducing the use of motorized vehicles by using public transportation, recycling our household waste properly, planting plants around the house, and not buying industrial products excessively. Global warming is very dire threat. Many scientists predict that by 2050, humans will not be able to survive on Earth. The scenario is this: if humans are not able to stop this global warming in 3 decades, then the possibility of human becoming extinct. By 2050, more than 50% of the human population will experience lethal heat and may not survive. Extreme weather will occur everywhere, drought and famine will be rampant, and countries will come into conflict over resources.
Kenaikan temperatur bumi berisiko memicu krisis air yang dapat menimbulkan kerentanan ketahanan pangan. BMKG memperkirakan manusia di bumi ini akan mengalami kekurangan stok pangan dunia pada tahun 2050. Kepala BMKG Dwi Korita Karnawati mengungkapkan kekurangan pangan ini akan dialami semua negara di dunia termasuk Indonesia. Hal ini dikarenakan suhu bumi yang semakin meningkat secara ekstrim yang berisiko memicu krisis air. Bahkan berdasarkan proyeksi BMKG pada tahun 2049, suhu rata-rata tahunan Indonesia bisa naik mencapai lebih dari 1,3 derajat Celcius. Bila pemerintah tidak melakukan mitigasi, menurut Dwi Korita, kenaikan suhu bisa mencapai 3,5 derajat Celcius.
The threat of global warming is not something that exists. This threat is real. Many media outlets are reporting on this natural phenomenon in various countries, like this.
The UN Secretary General Antonio Guterres has hailed a major new report on climate change as a survival guide for humanity. Climate scientists from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change said that clean energy and technology can be exploited to avoid the growing climate disaster.
The UN Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change has issued a warning. It says that the world is on course to overshoot the 1.5 degrees Celsius global warming threshold, which will lead to irreversible harm and risks for human and natural climate system.
So, what should we do now? Daydreaming? Not caring? Or overthinking? No. Do it now. Do whatever you can to save our Earth. Now. Okay? Don't you want, when you grow old, to live happily with a beautiful wife and adorable grandchildren without worrying about natural disasters? I'm sure all of you have the hope to live happily without worrying about global warming. So, let's prevent global warming from now. Do it now, okay?